Hey! Oh, Shelby. Obviously, you saw me.
I got it all right.
Yeah. Come here. What was that?
It was a giggle. I had cough.
Oh, okay. You gonna burp again?
More than likely.
Wow.
That microphone better be working.
It is working. Don't you see the little green thing going up? Up. Did you see it? It went all the way up. Up.
That was cool.
See, it's in
I want to see how red it gets when I burp.
if it even gets to red. Yeah, sure. Like, oh no, no. Ready?
I'm waiting for it.
Ready? Come on. Any day now.
I'm getting ready. I feel it.
It's entertaining.
That
That was so fake.
No, that wasn't a burp. That was more like getting ready to do it. Mason.
Let's do that. Yep. We're waiting for her to burp.
God bless
I'm gonna
you.
post this on YouTube. Why did my mom just post? Oh, weird. You gonna do it? Oh crap.
Can't put that on YouTube.
No.
Watch.
I can't put this on YouTube?
We just laugh.
Let's just laugh until it ends, okay? Or fake laugh.
Until I have to burp.
Like
wait. I feel like I got a burp.
And yet nothing? We should fake laugh until it ends. Ready? Ready? Ready?
You gotta do something. I'm not gonna fake laugh. What was that?
I don't know.
We'll laugh.
What was that?
Barking spider.
Yep. Sure, barking spider. Sometimes they can bark. They can bark.
I wonder what that sounds like. Would you mistake it for a dog?
Yep.
I've never heard one.
Neither have I. Well, you don't know because you probably thought it was a dog.
Oh my gosh.
Me and Leah. No, I'm white and blonde.
Look. That's what it's like. And? Okay. I like these differing.
Oh, sweet. So do I. We should do this more often, you know?
We should.
Yeah.
My hand is on your leg. I'm sorry. I was trying to move the block
down. Why do you want to do that on my face?
because I'm like that.
There you go. Right here.
Thank you. And I'm really hoping to burp today.
Burp?
Excuse me.
Dude, it's already like, okay, if you don't do it by 5 minutes, I'm gonna stop it. I'm gonna stop it, okay?
What if it happens like right after you stop?
That'd be terrible. I have a dimple.
I have dimples on my butt.
That's lovely. I have dimples on my butt. Do you?
Uh-uh.
I have a dimple on my back.
me.
It was loud. Yeah, that could sound so wrong. You know that?
Depends on what's stomping your mouth.
Ew!
What? Sounds like you did something. Sounds like you did something.
No.
Oh, that wasn't very good.
Woo!
At least I did it.
Yeah.
Wait.
No.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, stop.